it's closed now. So change fylke.
Neve che vita.
I was also thinking if you eat something at the store, do you want to like that we arrange some that we can drive to the store, or what do you think?
Like today or
Yeah,
for home?
yeah. Well,
Maybe I take one more salmon. You know this frozen salmon.
it's frozen salmon.
You mean for the house?
Yeah, for
okay.
you.
You know there is this salmon blacks
Yeah.
frozen. One of that and one more ketchup.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tak. Then I give you.
Then I'll take it. Will you just text me when you're
Yeah,
finished?
yeah, perfect. Have a good day in the meantime.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aaron, I'm 31 years old. I am born and raised in Italy and my origins are from Ivory Coast and I'm a baker. So right now I'm in Norway. I moved here 2 days ago. I finished baking school in Italy the 13th of December and then I had a couple of weeks at my grandma. And I was supposed to do my internship in Italy, but for financial reason, I decided to come here to Norway and work, and then do my internship in Italy later on. So I am in a small village called Sirdal, which is like 1 hour and something from Stavanger. I'll put a map here or something because geography is not my thing. And I really wanted to show you around the bakery so you can see the situation right now. First, I wanted to show you the weather. So this is what's happening outside. Today we are closed, so let me see if I can open the door. No, I can't. There's too much snow on the other side. And I'll show you also around the bakery. So this is the situation. Today we're closed, but there's a snow blizzard and look how high the snow is. So I also want to show you around the bakery. So it's a small cozy bakery. It's a project from two Norwegian ladies, and their ethos is local food, like using local ingredients, and yeah. So this is the cozy place. You have some local coffee, cookies, pesto, honey, apple juice. You also have some meat there, local meat, local lamb. Here you can see some other stuff. Then they also sell some apparel And then you have here the counter. They also sell local ice cream. And it's a small cozy bakery. And here is the lab. So it starts here. Here's the access that I don't know the word in English, but the people, the vendors, they go here, the baristas and stuff. So this is the tagliavini oven. This is the proofer. And here is the lab. I was just fixing it, cleaning a bit around. So like I said, I started 2 days ago. The first day, as soon as I arrived, I came here to help Ingvild. And then the day after, I was all alone running the whole production. I mean, it was mostly baking the day, so baking. We had some sourdough breads to bake and also some cinnamon buns. So I was handling all alone because she needed some time off. She's been doing this all by herself and also with her business partner, but she's pregnant now, so yeah. And so I found myself yesterday handling everything, and I have to say that I mean, I did some mistake, but beside that, I've been able to handle the whole thing, and my colleagues, they were happy, and they told her also that I did good for my first day. And I don't have that much experience in baking, beside having had 1 year working in Norway doing donuts in a small production, and then 1 month in a bakery in Norway, plus the 2-month culinary school, and now. So I'm just in the beginning of my journey, and I have ambitions and goals, but now it's just about learning. So I'm gonna spend a year here to learn, and also like to be able to manage things by myself, and also at some point to be able to introduce also new products and things that I also learned at school. So today I wasn't supposed to work, but I came in, no problem. I mean, there's nothing else to do in this village, so this is what last night I was sleeping and thinking about things that I can bake, things that I can do, because the owners, they're also kind to let me, they will also let me use the bakery in the 3 days to do things. But I mean, as for now, the most important thing is to learn what they are doing now here, what I'm gonna do, and then once I master, you know, their processes and things, then later I will start introducing things, period. And okay, now I have to prepare a couple of things. Should have done it by 3, but it's not a problem. Polish times 3. Here is this. I'm gonna leave it 2 hours outside, room temperature, and then in the fridge. So Polish is done. Now it's time to make the sweet dough, which is a dough that we use for the cinnamon buns, the cardamom buns, the böller, skullerbröd. I will show you once we make them the next days what I'm talking about. And I don't have a microphone, so I'm gonna do some close-up shot where I talk. I'm gonna put music, while I do, you know, the processes, and then and then I'm gonna order a microphone. I mean, that's all I have to do. So that's how the videos are gonna be for now. Let's go. Quindi ho l'acqua, sono già 700 grammi. So the sweet dough, it's almost ready. Let's check the temperature. Where's the thing? Let's see. Should be 25, 26 degree.